Hello, this is Fred at the Gate with today's devotional. It is New Year's Day, so Happy New Year's, January the 1st, 2016. Routinely, many of us will make resolutions for the new year. We're all excited and charged up, and we make so many plans because we're eager about the possibilities for what the new year may hold. But I have a question for each and every one of you listening to the sound of my voice. Do your new year plans include God? Now, in the New International Version, Proverbs 19 and 21 says, "Many are the plans of a man's heart, but it's the Lord's purpose that prevails." Jeremiah 29 and 11 says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." So, again, I ask the question, do your New Year plans include God? Do people only use 10% of their brains is an article I read by Robin Boyd, in which Robin states the human brain is complex. Along with performing millions of mundane tasks, it composes concertos, issues manifestos, and comes up with eloquent equations. It is the wellspring of all human feelings, behaviors, experiences, as well as the repository of memory and self-awareness. So it's no surprise that the brain remains a mystery unto itself. Now, with all that said, we're still limited in our ability to think, to understand, and to know. God has infinite wisdom, unlike us. So again, I ask the question, do your New Year plans include God? You see, he lets us know many are the plans of a man's heart, but it's his purpose that will prevail. So it doesn't matter what we plan, how strategic we are. At the end of the day, it's God's purpose that will prevail. In other words, his will be done. So do your New Year plans include God? He says, "I know the plans that I have for you," declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you, to give you hope in the future. So if we're not on his plan, why even make plans? You see, this is what we need to understand. Because God has infinite wisdom, God knows the way, God shows us the way, and God will go all the way. My brothers and my sisters, instead of making all sorts of plans and coming up with all sorts of ideas that may not be on God's agenda, why not just simply make certain that we are on his agenda? Instead of asking God to okay our plans, why not consult God and find out what he has planned for us? Because he says, "I know the plans for you." And that means when people are walking out of your life, obviously they're not a part of God's plan. When certain opportunities are not presented to you, obviously they're not part of God's plans. Stop holding on to stuff that you think that you want, that you have decided, and understand what is God's will for your life. So one more time, I'll ask you the question, do your New Year's plans include God?